All right, welcome back. Okay, so let's look at another topic that's, I think, important, and that has to do with when we look at the radius in standard form. So, if we look at x minus h squared plus y minus, y minus k squared equals r squared. Okay, so now if we look at the square root of r, so let's call that c equals the square root of r, for example. Okay, now that will tell us something about the circle. Okay, if c is greater than 0, then we have a circle with radius greater than 0. Okay? If c is equal to 0, we don't have a circle, we have a point. Because the radius is 0. Oh, hold on. Not the square root of r. Square root of r squared. Okay, call it a c value. Okay, or if it makes help, just look at it as r. So if r is greater than 0, obviously we have a circle because it has a positive radius. If c or r is equal to 0, then we don't have a radius, we have a point, right? And the only solution to this equation is just the center, right? So h comma k. Okay, and then if c is less than 0, right? So we have a negative radius, then that means that we don't have a circle, right? So these two cases are what we call degenerate cases, okay? And so this is also the reason why we say that r has to be positive, right? If you remember the definition of the circle we gave back, so we said part of that definition was r was positive, right? Positive radius. Okay, now, what we're going to do is we're going to use an example to show how we can see what kind of case we have when we're dealing with equations of circles.